In this video I'm going to show you how to change the default font in Lightburn. So when you come into Lightburn you'll always see a font appear up here, and it's always the same one, and in my case it's Arial. So when I start typing and I type something in, it'll always be the default font that Lightburn uses, which in this case is Arial. Now you might want to change that. Maybe you use a font consistently and you're forever tired of coming to the drop down and selecting it from here. So the way to do that is just come up to Settings, click there, and then click on File Settings, and then you'll see the option here, Default Font. So if I select the drop down here, I can choose a font from here, and I'll just select this one, Alexia Bright Sans. And you notice here you can also change the default height. So I can maybe bring that down so it's not so big when I start typing it. So maybe I'll change it to that, and I'll go OK. Now at the moment nothing's really changed. You won't know if it's worked or not. The best way to do it is just to close up Lightburn and then come back in again. Alright, now you can see the default font has now changed. So when I start typing now, you can see it's a lot smaller, and it's also changed to the font that I selected. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.